Hey guys, Kevin Estello, Fieldcraft Survival here with my buddy Nate Jones. We're here at Western Hunt Expo bringing our flair to the hunting space because let's face it, you guys are getting out into the great outdoors. If something bad's going to happen, of course it's going to happen when you're trying to recreate in the beautiful, Mother Nature. So one of the things that we do at Fieldcraft, one of the things that we do when we're at shows like this, we combine providing products for people to purchase at our booth. We also do free seminars, and we hopefully will get them to come and train with us from day-long classes to multi-day classes where we really want them to be prepared for that worst-case scenario.
Have more long-form discussions where we can do coaching, mentoring, get into the philosophy as well as show the types of things that people can take with them to then practice, get the reps that they need to become proficient at the skills that they want to become good at.
Being able to meet people face to face, being able to answer questions in person where you know that you're dealing with someone who actually knows the answer, they don't have to look it up online and present something really fancy on social media. That really goes to help build our brand because we want people to trust us, because our goal at the end of the day is to get people outdoors in a safe manner, and they won't go out in a safe manner unless they follow sage advice or good advice, and we want to make sure that we're providing that. So one of the best ways of doing that is by answering questions in person, getting that FaceTime with them, and really talk to them about their needs and realistic ways of meeting them. When you come to an event like this, it's overwhelming. It's so easy to say, I don't have this, I don't have that, I can't do this, I can't do that. We always promote just be better every single day. Do something that makes you incrementally better every single day, because this journey of getting out to the great outdoors is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and just enjoy the process, guys.